Beetroot Apple Burfi. How does that sound? Sweetness of beetroot cutting through the apple, delicious bite in my mouth. That's what I'm bringing to you today, so keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. 2 apples shredded, 2 beetroots shredded, 1.5 cups of almond flour, half cup jaggery powder, 1 cup coconut powder. You'll find the exact measurement in the description below. I'll also be using walnuts and pistachios, cardamom for essence, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil for cooking. These are the ingredients. Now let's get started. Heat a heavy bottom pan. Add in the coconut oil. Spread it around. Once heated, add in the shredded beetroot. Mix it well and cook it until the raw smell leaves. And they need to be tender and soft. So cook it under cover for 5 to 7 minutes. Great, healthy, nutritious dessert, dairy-free. Yes, you heard it right, it's dairy-free, so if you're looking to make something without milk or ghee, this can be a great addition to your dairy-free dessert. Once softened, add in the shredded apple. Mix it really well. Apples have plenty of water, so make sure to cook until all the water evaporates. Apples cook really fast. Scrape all the goodness from the pan as you combine both beetroot and apple together. At this point, add in the jaggery powder. Jaggery powder will help the mixture bind well. You will soon see a bit of bubbles forming as you continue to stir, and it'll start leaving the edges of the pan. That's how it should be. Look how gorgeous it looks already. Now let's add some essence to it. Crushed cardamoms. It smells so good already. Apart from essence, it's a great health benefit too. Now add in the desiccated coconut powder. This will absorb the extra moisture. Mix it well, and then let's add in the almond flour. This will help the whole mixture form a thick consistency. Trust me, this doesn't take too long. I wanted the burfi to be soft. If you need a harder consistency, you may add more almond flour. Push it aside to check the consistency. There, perfect. Turn the flame off. Love this color. It turned out so beautiful and I can't wait to set it. You may grease the container directly. I'm using the parchment paper. Let's make the magic happen. Transferring this beautiful burfi mixture into the container and set it according to your bite size. I like to have a little bit bigger bite size. A great way to have your vegetable and fruit both in one go, in one bite, through this delicious sweet burfi. Turned out so gorgeous. Time to add in some love and joy. I'm crushing some walnuts and pistachios. You may add whatever nuts of your choice. Sprinkle them well. Add in that rich love, joy, color in your life. And make sure to keep them intact by pressing it together. So let's put this in the fridge for 4 hours. And let's get back and see how it looks. Can't wait. Wow, look at that beauty. During festival or on a regular day, you can make this nutritious, healthy dessert for your kids and family. A great addition to entertain your friends as well. It's ready in minutes. And I got 10 pieces out of it. Super happy and excited to make this
beautiful beetroot apple burfi. So let's test it out. This year has been tough for many of us, and I'm so glad that I was able to make what I have in hand for this Diwali. So let's spread some love, joy, kindness as we witness this tough year. Let's hope for the best as we welcome the new year. Take care, you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Stay tuned for more such videos, and don't forget to shine with shows.